In the heart of the deep blue ocean, where sunlight barely reaches, lived a little turtle named Tessa. Tessa was unlike any other turtle in her underwater neighborhood. While her friends were content with swimming around the coral reefs and playing among the rocks, Tessa's heart yearned for adventure beyond the familiar. One sunny morning, as the fish danced around the swaying seaweed, Tessa's eyes caught a glint of something shiny. It was a golden seashell, half buried in the sandy floor. The other turtles had heard tales of the legendary golden seashell, said to be hidden in the darkest depths of the ocean. They believed it was a treasure that could bring luck to anyone who possessed it. Determined and filled with excitement, Tessa decided to embark on a daring journey to find the golden seashell. Her friends tried to dissuade her, warning about the dangerous creatures and unpredictable currents that lurked beyond their peaceful home. But Tessa's spirit remained unshaken. She believed that her curiosity and courage would guide her safely through the challenges. As Tessa swam away from the coral reefs, the underwater world transformed. The colors became deeper, and the sea life grew stranger. She encountered curious dolphins that playfully raced alongside her, guiding her through the open waters. She made friends with a friendly school of shimmering fish who shared tales of their own adventures. But not everything was easy. Tessa faced her first challenge when a mischievous octopus attempted to trap her in its slippery grasp. With quick thinking and a burst of speed, Tessa managed to escape, her heart pounding with both fear and exhilaration. She learned that the ocean's beauty was matched only by its unpredictability. As Tessa ventured farther, she encountered strong currents that threatened to sweep her away. Yet with each obstacle, her determination grew. She met wise old turtles who had journeyed far and wide, and they shared their knowledge of navigating the treacherous waters. Tessa's journey became a tapestry of experiences woven together by friendship, danger, and discovery. One fateful day, after overcoming numerous challenges, Tessa reached the edge of a mysterious trench where the golden seashell was said to lie. The water grew colder, and darkness enveloped her. But Tessa's heart burned with hope and anticipation. She spotted the glimmering seashell resting at the bottom of the trench, its golden hues reflecting the faintest light. With trembling fins, Tessa picked up the golden seashell. As she held it, a warm and radiant light emanated from within. It wasn't just the shell that was glowing, it was Tessa herself. The golden light illuminated the trench, revealing a breathtaking world of bioluminescent creatures, each one emitting its own unique glow. Tessa realized that the true treasure wasn't the seashell itself, but the experiences and friendships she had gained along the way. She made a decision that surprised even her. She left the golden seashell right where it was. Instead, she swam back to her friends, carrying the newfound radiance within her. Tessa's return was met with awe and wonder. Her friends gathered around as she shared stories of her adventure, painting a vivid picture of the world beyond. Tessa's courage and selflessness inspired her friends to look beyond their comfort zones and explore the ocean's mysteries. And so, the tale of the brave turtle's adventure spread throughout the underwater world, reminding all who heard it that the greatest treasures are the ones we carry in our hearts, the memories, the friendships, and the lessons learned along the way.